Hello and welcome to Miss Shaw's math learning video for Thursday, September 17th. For lesson 4, our objective is the student will be able to identify and generate sets using concrete and pictorial models up to 10. Pictorial just means a picture. So we're going to go over our vocabulary: digit, numeral, compare. When you compare a number, you say if it's greater than, less than, or equal to another number. Greater than would be a bigger number or more than. Less than, smaller than. Equal has the same value. And these are the tics that we are working with. Today we're going to be generating a set using concrete and pictorial model. Once again, hopefully you're practice subitizing using these videos or some other videos that you find, and also practicing on PathBlazer. And we did working with these numbers yesterday on a 5-frame. And so we're going to continue on working with building these numbers using a 10-frame. So yesterday was a 5-frame. A 5-frame only has 5 spaces. A 10-frame has 10. So this is an interactive game, an interactive activity. You cannot be in present mode. You have to be in the mode where you can see these slides over here called editing mode. And so that's why I have it on this mode instead of the full size. Okay, so same thing as yesterday. You're going to drag your counters to match this number, and this number is 5. 4 and 5. Then you're going to go to this number, 9. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to drag the counters over until you make the number 9 on the 10-frame. The same thing with 2 and 6. Your activity is going to be representing quantities in organized arrangements. These are called 10 frames. Okay, so you're basically taking the same concept of what you built the numbers over here, and you're doing it on here. So on a piece of paper, because we do not have our math books, you can draw a 10-frame, and they're showing you the 5-frame part in blue. It's a little bit easier to see that way. So this would be the 5 part, and this total would be the 10-frame. So you're going to draw little circles on the 10 frames to match the numeral. So you're going to draw to match 8, 6, 10, 7, 9, and 5. So our math activity today does not take too long. So hopefully you can go and do the activities and work with the 10 frames. And you can practice some activities on PathBlazer. Remember, you can go to that. I have a tutorial on my YouTube how to get there. But I also, if you are in my class link, all those apps, the PathBlazer app is in there, and all you have to do is click on it, and it should be your app. Okay, thank you.